Rich people don't buy luxury, they buy these six things. Most people think that being rich means driving a Lamborghini or a Ferrari, wearing head to toe Gucci, and living in a 20,000 square foot mansion with a gold plated toilet. But I'm going to tell you a secret that took me years and a lot of heartbreak to learn. Rich people don't buy luxury, they buy the things that keep them rich. I remember when I was working a corporate job, making about $75,000 per year. And I would save up for months just to buy one designer handbag because I thought that's what success looked like. I was broke, but I looked rich. Fast forward to today, and I've built a multi-million dollar real estate empire. And I can tell you, the wealthiest people that I know, they avoid luxury items altogether, like the plague. Instead, they spend their money on six invisible things that multiply their wealth while they sleep. In this video, I'm breaking down the six secrets of how the 1% actually spend their money. And I'm going to show you how you can apply these wealth mentor moves even if you're starting from zero. Let's go.
Noelle. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, no, you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
So let's get right into this. Many of the secrets that I'm going to share with you today are in my book, Pick a Horse. It's an Amazon bestseller that you can get for free. Just go to pickahorsebook.com. You just covered the shipping. Okay, let's get into these secrets. Secret number one, buying back your time. The number one thing rich people buy is time. They don't just work harder, they delegate the things that don't require their unique genius. I used to spend my entire Saturday cleaning up my entire house, doing laundry, and grocery shopping. I thought I was saving money, but once I shifted my mindset, I realized I was actually losing money. If my time is worth $500 an hour as a real estate investor, I just paid $2,500 for a clean house. Wealthy people hire assistants, they hire house cleaners and travel planners, not just because they can't do it, but because their time is worth more than the cost of help. Every hour they buy back is an hour they can use to find a new deal, talk to a landlord, or simply rest so you can perform at a higher level. Here's the key. You don't need to be a millionaire to start this. In fact, I started getting my house cleaned way before I became a millionaire. That is how I became a millionaire. I needed to do things that made money, not clean my house. So hire a low-cost cleaning team. Use a grocery delivery service. Hire a virtual assistant for 5 hours a week at $2, $3, $4, $5 an hour. Again, buy back just 2 hours a week and use that time to study real estate. Also, not only did I spend a lot of time cleaning my house, I am a Black mom. So I literally have 5 daughters with really thick and curly hair, and I would spend hours doing their hair every weekend. So now I do not do that. I literally send them to someone that professionally braids their hair, a salon. Shout out to Empress Braiding in Kissimmee. She is an absolute doll when it comes to doing hair. She is amazing. People drive from miles and miles away to get their hair done by Kim. And shout out to her. But that is what I do to save time and buy back my time. It's much more efficient for me to just pay Kim to braid my girl's hair. And then I can actually go out, be with clients, go review properties, do the things that makes me a lot of money. So again, I buy back my time just like another rich person taught me to. That is the zero to hero move. Number two is the shield of advisors and experts. What's the second thing rich people spend money on? Advisors. They don't guess. They pay for the answer. They have tax strategists, estate attorneys, and business counsel. Why? Because avoiding one $50,000 mistake is more valuable than making $50,000. I remember early in my journey, I tried to do my own taxes for my rental properties. I thought I was being smart. I ended up overpaying the IRS by thousands because I didn't know about specific depreciation rules. Now I have a team that protects my money. Over 70% of wealthy Americans use a tax strategist. That's nearly double the general population. But here is Noelle's insight. You don't have to hire a whole firm tomorrow. Start with AI tools like ChatGPT to get educated. But when you're closing a real estate deal or signing a contract, get a professional. You're not paying them to teach you, you're paying them to protect you. Secret number 3 is investing in the engine, your health. You cannot out earn poor health. Okay. I don't care how much money you have, poor health does nothing. Rich people invest in preventative care, physical therapy, and mental health support because they know that if the CEO goes down, the whole empire goes down. I used to pull all nighters thinking that was the hustle. All it did was lead to burnout and bad decisions. Now I invest in my sleep, my nutrition, and my mental clarity. I'm not talking about expensive wellness trends. I'm talking about a blackout curtain, a consistent bedtime, and regular checkups so small issues don't become business ending problems. Secret number 4 are skills that multiply. And this is what I'm telling you. This is the real millionaire play. Wealthy people spend intentional dollars on skill development, not to look good, but to earn better. Let me tell you about my billionaire friend. This billionaire hired a tutor to teach him Mandarin for an hour every week. He didn't need a new language, but his company was expanding into China. He wanted to build trust and lead without a barrier. To him, that tutor wasn't a cost. It was a multi-million-dollar investment in his future earning power. I started doing the same thing. I started taking Spanish lessons. Most of my contractors and people that fix my houses speak Spanish, and now I'm able to negotiate way better in Espanol. What is the one skill that you're missing? Is it public speaking? Is it negotiation? Is it personal branding? When I was starting out, I was broke, bankrupt, and living in my parents' basement, and I invested in a $20,000 coach that taught me wholesaling. This was back in 2009. I still use that skill in 2026. It has helped my business in ways that you could not imagine, and now I'm even able to teach that, and it has multiplied into millions of dollars. Think about it. That one skill has generated millions for my business. Skills multiply what you can charge tomorrow. Secret number 5 and 6, environment and the right rooms. Let me explain. Finally, rich people pay for environment and access. They don't rely on motivation. They design their surroundings to make success the only option. I was literally in a mentorship program that cost me $50,000, and I met some amazing founders that taught me things that no one in my life could teach. Not my mom, not my dad, not my grandma. Only a founder of a multi-million-dollar business could teach me this. This founder, worth hundreds of millions of dollars, lived in a simple 3-bedroom townhouse just so he could be 5 minutes from his office. He optimized for output, not status. Additionally, you got to pay to be in the right rooms. Like I said, I've invested in $50,000 coaching just recently, and I've paid even more than that to get into the right rooms with the right people. Think about this for a second. If you want to be a real estate mogul, you can't hang around people that are afraid to buy a house. You need to be in the room with people who are buying apartment complexes, even if you have to save up to attend a conference or to join one high-level group. Do it. I literally canceled one of my classes at UConn to pay for that $20,000 coach that I told you about. I literally was also on a payment plan. Even canceling a class didn't get me $20,000. But once I got into the coaching program, he taught me a skill that I was able to use not only to make money and get out of my parents' basement, but also to pay for the coaching program. It was genius. Remember, Noelle Randall is telling you earnestly. People used to count me out, tell me all kind of negative things about what I could not do. I used to talk to some of the smallest minds you ever would see. And today, those same people are in the same place they were. And I had to change my mindset and get in different rooms and have different thoughts. Do not listen to people that tell you you can't do it, that it's going to be too hard, that you have to live a small life, that you got to save your way to rich. These are all foolish things. You can go from broke to billionaire. Yes, you can. I believe in you. That's why I'm telling you these secrets. Every purchase the wealthy make comes down to one question. Will this buy me time, protect me, or grow my future income? If the answer is no, they don't buy it. If the answer is yes, then go all in. So here is your wealth mentor homework. Number 1, you're going to do an audit. You're going to look at your bank statement. Are you buying luxury items that lose value, or are you buying time and skills that create wealth? You know the answer to that. Number two, education. If you're ready to stop looking rich and start being rich, go to pickahorse.book.com and get this book, Pick Your Horse, The Power to Choose You So You Really Can Become Wealthy. It's a free book. You just covered the shipping. Pickahorse.book.com. And number three, you're going to make the proximity move. You're going to join me for free at my next free training, which is noellsfreetraining.com, where I show you exactly how I use these secrets and more to build a real estate empire from scratch. The link is in the description box. Doing just these small steps and believing in yourself and getting around people that have done it before can really take you to the next level. This is why I'm always going to tell you all the secrets and give you free training. You can do this. I want to make sure that you have all of the knowledge, all of the tools, and all of the resources that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.